Okay, so I have this cog. It has UVs done already. I'm just going to create a Ucupaint node setup with the default settings. And then instead of creating new layers from here, I'm actually going to go to my asset browser materials, and let's choose this plastic that's green over here and right click it, open material images to new layer. It's going to create a new layer that has all the images. It's going to create a roughness. It's going to put the roughness image or texture from this material into the roughness slot and so on. So it's going to basically copy the material into one layer. Now then I'm going to create another layer using this rusty metal material, like so. It's going to get laid on top of the other layer. I'm going to change the scale a bit. So here's my rust, but we only want the rust to appear in certain places, so we're going to add a mask. We're going to add a bevel grayscale with the default settings, although I'm going to make my GPU compute it. It's going to basically do a bevel all over the place and use that as the mask. So right now it's pretty hard to see the actual rust. So I'm gonna click on this cog wheel here and add a color ramp. So now I can use the sliders to make the rust more pronounced. So this could already be useful for some people. I'm gonna make it so that the inner parts of the concave edges are not gonna be having any rust on them, because they would be kind of protected edges. So I'm gonna create another mask and use the cavity and just bake that one too. It's gonna, by default, it's gonna get multiplied on top of the other mask, so only the parts that are white in both masks are gonna show up. And you can see the protected edges are almost invisible, but not entirely, so I'm gonna use the color ramp again, and I'm just gonna try to adjust the edges a bit so it looks nicer. This is basically it. We could also use an automatic edge detect here to basically make masks without baking any textures, but this is the way I usually do it. Now, just one more thing, I'm gonna go to the bottom layer, that is the paint layer, and I'm just gonna add with this wrench tool, I'm gonna add a modifier that's hue saturation, and let's swap it so it's more orange, and then maybe increase the value and the saturation, or maybe the orange doesn't show the rust as well, so maybe this is it.